Hello guys, welcome back to my channel. Welcome to today's daily vlog. Today's Monday 16. Okay, so I'm going to the laundrette at the moment. I don't know, it's like it wants to rain. I actually want to go to buy meat as well. Okay guys, so let's get into this vlog. Okay guys, I think it wants to rain, so I want to go to the laundrette first. The time is so gone. I want to go to the laundrette first, and then I want to go and get some meat and fish to make some soup, some African soup. Okay guys, so let's see how it goes, because the laundrette will take me a little while. So I'm trying to contemplate if I should go and buy the food I want to buy first before I go to the laundrette, or I go to the laundrette first before I go and buy the food, the meat and the fish and the rest of the stuff I want to buy. But I'll take you guys along. Okay guys, so I'm going to be driving. I'm in the car. Okay, so I'll catch you guys in some few minutes. Okay guys, so I'm in the laundrette now. I went to the post office to change coin. See, I have to change the coin because the laundrette lady, she's not there. Okay, so yeah, I'm in the laundrette now. My lips are quite dry, so I don't think I have my lip balm here with me. I don't think so. Yeah guys, so I haven't gone to go and buy the meat and fish yet. Let's hope I'll be able to go and do that. When I go back into the laundrette, I'll show you guys. My machine is washing there. Okay, but I need to go and get something to eat. I'm hungry. Okay guys, please don't forget to give my daily vlog thumbs up. Comment if you enjoy watching and you like my content. Please consider subscribing. Join the family. Interesting content will be coming every day. Okay guys, and don't forget I go live stream Friday and Saturday 6:30 p.m. okay, yeah guys, so yes, I'm hoping the cloth wash quick so I can go and get my meat and take you guys along, get the meat and the fish, because I want to make some soup, but that will probably be tomorrow, not today, Monday. Okay guys, if you enjoyed this vlog, give it a thumbs up, share it, comment, subscribe, all those wonderful things. Okay guys, and Precious is saying hello. She opened her eyes to the end. All right guys. Hey guys, so I'm in the laundrette. So you guys can see the time is gone. The weather is looking very dark. Can you guys see the weather? It's a bit chilly, like as if it wants to rain. So the machine might not make you guys hear me very well. And I still have to go to the meat shop to go and buy meat and fish. So I'm not even sure right now because the time is so gone. Okay, I want to take some of my clothes home because I can't wait. The machine will not finish. Can you guys hear the noise? The machine won't finish until 45 minutes time. Can you see I'm using 3 of them? And I still got some clothes there on the floor somewhere there. I still got those clothes there to dry. And I have to go to the meat shop, and the time is already gone guys, and I have to post this video if possible. I don't know if you guys can hear me, but that's what is happening at the moment. Okay guys, so I'm still in the laundrette. It's almost 5 o'clock. The meat shop, the Irish meat shop I want to go, they close 5 o'clock, so I don't even think I can even go to the meat shop today anymore. So I think I'm just going to wait for the clothes to dry, because I'm drying them. They take a while to dry. They take 45 minutes to dry. It's remaining 17 minutes, and this is almost 5 o'clock. So I was doing all that things at home. That's why I didn't come on time, and I also have to wait for my husband to come back if I come to the laundrette. So guys, I don't think I'm going to be able to go to the meat shop. I'll probably have to go on Wednesday, because I need to take my car for MOT and servicing tomorrow. I have to take it there in the morning and drop it there. I won't have my car with me properly tomorrow until Wednesday. So maybe it's on Wednesday I might take you guys to the meat shop. I'm not sure of tomorrow yet, unless I want to use the public transport, the bus, unless that. If not, That'll be Wednesday before I go and buy my meat and fish to make some soup. So I'm still here. When the clothes is done, I'll go home and show you guys where I'm sorting out the clothes. Okay, guys? Okay, guys, I just got home from the laundrette now. So some of the clothes, I couldn't dry them because their machine, the dryer, some of them are not working and the time is gone. It's already past 5. Is it? Oh yeah, can you imagine? This is almost 5:30. So I couldn't go to the meat shop because they've closed already. Anyway, they closed 5. So I'm home now, so I'm going to be sorting out the clothes. Okay, guys? Okay, guys, can you see the amount of clothes on the floor that I need to sort out? I just wanted to show you guys before I actually start sorting them out. It's a lot. It looks like as if it's small, but it's not. It's heap. I can even sleep on top of it. That's how much clothes my children use. In less than, it's not even up to a week. They just like wearing one cloth, throw it in the basket. Wear one today, tomorrow, throw it in the basket. Wear 2 today, throw it in the basket. Before you know it, 3 days, 4 days, can you imagine? This is like 4 days clothes. And majority of this clothes here is theirs. So I'm going to be sorting it out, guys. Okay? Yeah, so let's begin. Okay, guys, I'm going to be fast forwarding this part of the vlog so it's not too overlong. Okay, guys? Okay, guys, so I'm going to be ending the video here. You've seen me trying to sort all the clothes out, so I'm going to be ending the vlog here today, Monday. Thank you guys so much for watching. I appreciate it. Hopefully tomorrow I'll take you guys shopping for my meat and my fish shopping, hopefully tomorrow or next Wednesday. Okay, guys, thanks so much for watching. I appreciate you all. God bless you all. Catch you, see you tomorrow. Bye, guys.